Hi, thank you for watching Tesla Fam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format a hard drive. This is a solid-state hard drive. This is particularly Toshiba, and I bought it on Amazon. Pretty inexpensive, a lot cheaper than an SD card, and it is 1 gig. So this works perfectly, if you can see right there, with the dash cam. So I'm going to show you how to format it, since it's difficult to format FAT32 when it's bigger than 32 gigabytes, I believe. Then I'm going to show you how this works and on the computer. All right, just to let you know, this is exactly what I was talking about. FAT32 has a maximum size of 32 gigabyte, meaning anything bigger than that, you won't be able to format 32. So in order to do that, you will have to actually download a program similar to this. You don't have to use this program, but I'm going to show you exactly a program that you can use. All right, so we got the IOMI Partition Assistant. That's what we need to download. All right, we downloaded the program. We're just gonna go ahead and click it. And it says install. I'm gonna hit yes. And if you read on here, it says there, select language, English, obviously different country, you can select different languages. Try the Pro, no, skip. And next, I agree to the terms. Next, 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 and install. And we watch the program go through it, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you after what we're gonna do. While that's installing, I'm gonna show you, we got a SD card, 3.1. I got this also from Amazon. This is for my wife's accent, since I don't want to protrude. That's 256 gigabyte. Typically, you can't format that FAT32. And there's rules regarding that, and I'll show you a little bit what it says. But anyway, we're gonna. It works exactly the same as a hard drive. If it's a gigabyte, 2 gigabytes, identical process. I'll take this apart. I'll plug it in, and I'll show you exactly what we gotta do. All right, so the hard drive is, in this case, the USB is being installed. And that shows right here what size it is, 233 gigabytes. So on the left-hand side, after it's plugged in, you just go ahead and select that. You can select, obviously your Windows, we don't want to format that, but you select the hard drive, disk number 3, particular, whatever you plugged in. And on the left-hand side, you can see here, it says Format Partition. Once you click that, you can label it. So I'm gonna call Model X. And it gives you a choices. If you look at it, it has FAT, NTF, and TFS, FAT32, EFX. Those are the newer versions. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it at FAT32. I've been using default. On the other hard drive, it shows 64 gigabytes as default. This one shows 32, so I just leave it at default. If that doesn't work for some reason for your vehicle, because sometimes everybody's different, you can change the default to 64. There are different versions, 8, 2, or 4 kilobytes, and redo the format. So after you do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and press OK. You press OK. We need to go up in the corner here, and you see it says apply. Hit apply, and it's gonna pop up, drive E, Model X, 32 kilobytes, and size and format. So you hit proceed. Are you sure? Yes. And it starts formatting it. Congratulations, being formatted. All right, now that the format is all completed, we can just close this program. We're done with this. So we need to find something that says File Explorer. I have it down here in the taskbar. After you open that, on the left-hand side, you see your USB drive or your hard drive, whatever you're using this time. So Model X, you click on it and you right click and you create a new folder. New folder. All right, and we need to call it Tesla Cam. And I know they had some capital letters there, and I'm not sure if it requires to have the capital letter, but I copied exactly how the instructions were on the Tesla website. So I'm just gonna go ahead and capital T, capital C, enter. And that's it. Oh yeah, this is all set up. All right, so we have the Model X, and we have the formatted USB. and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in right into the Model X slot. That'll be formatted as FAT32, and we're gonna go look at the screen, and any second there it should pop up, and there you go. So that's the proper format, FAT32, and for something that is bigger than 32 gigabytes. Thanks for watching, Tesla fam. Hope you enjoy the video.